entitled Exclusive OR XOR Logical Operator. The overview is, in some scripting languages like PHP, there exists a logical operator, e.g. the double ampersand for AND, double straight lines, vertical lines for OR, also known as AND and OR, called the exclusive OR, hence the name of this kata. The exclusive OR evaluates two booleans. It then returns true if exactly one of the expressions are true and false otherwise. And then we have a little truth table kind of thing below so that we understand XOR. We've talked about this once before, but it's not bad to refresh. False and false returns false. Note that we need exactly one of them to be true, and that's clearly not the case. The second example, the first one is true, and that's the only one, so we get a true output. Second example, only the second one's true, so again we get a true output. And finally, since both are true with the XOR, we return false. It needs exactly one input to be true of the two. Note this is different than a regular OR, which would include a true or true that would pass in a regular OR, but exclusive OR means exactly one input is true. The task, since we cannot define keywords in JavaScript, well, at least I don't know how to do it. Your task is to define a function XOR AB, where A and B are the two expressions to be evaluated. Your XOR function should have the behavior described above, returning true if exactly one of the two expressions evaluate to true and false otherwise. And because we've talked about this before, this is going to be a short and sweet challenge. Hopefully you remember it. If not, feel free to look it up or experiment. Go ahead and have a go at it, come back. And then for this, I'll simply return A bitwise XOR B. Do you remember that, the caret we used once before? Hopefully you found that. Let's go ahead and test. Looks good. And yeah, I'll just go ahead and submit this. You can look at the tests if you'd like. Pretty much the same thing we saw in the truth table at the beginning. I got some nested ones there. Okay. We'll fire it off. And yeah, same thing we did here. Seemed pretty common. That's a different way, right? A not equal to B, that works. Same. This is kind of ugly. Don't care for that solution, but even like checking A equals true, right? You have to use the double equal sign for comparison. But why even double equals true? What if you just said A and B? You know, I don't know that you have to say that they're equal to true. It's a little redundant, but okay. And so yeah, I like what we did the best. A lot of other people did too. So yeah, not much else to say about this one. I'll go ahead and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thanks for watching.